Today I'll present the speech about do you prefer to study alone or in groups? I prefer studying in groups, personally. Studying alone may be boring, tired, and hard, but studying in groups is the opposite. For now, I will tell why studying with groups is better. Making a study group helps in exam. Study groups share their ideas and help students study fun. According to a study, a student studied with groups got a higher grade than the student studied alone. Also, studying alone may cause lower grades. Most of students studying harder may get higher grades. Most of students think studying harder may get higher grades, but studying too hard may get more lower grades. This happened a month ago. I was studying for the exam. I studied until 1 a.m. and fell asleep. However, I got the lower grade. Soon, I realized that I studied too hard for the test. After I realized that, I only studied for 2 hours a day. Thus, I got a higher score. Studying with groups is just the same as playing with friends. It's almost the only way to study fun. So, in conclusion, studying in groups is better. Thank you for listening to my presentation.